looks a bit of a mess, I know, but very basically some of these cutout switches have an option for manual. My one didn't, and the little box is here. So this is an electronic device. It's got a little area on the back there which normally picks up your key fob. My battery ran out, I changed the battery and I lost the settings. So to change the valve and make it closed, all you need to do is forget the box, is just find the break in the cable where the exhaust goes through the bottom of the car. Right, so this here is the cable that goes through, down through the floor, and on the other end of this cable is the motor, and it's obviously 12 volts. Alright, so what you want to do is, if you've got some little crocodile clips like these are really handy. My battery, fortunately, was also in the boot, makes things nice and easy. I've got two cutout valves, if you're wondering why I've got two boxes. So, as I said, so find the cable which goes through to your exhaust, which is this one here. So there's no power going into that, and just simply connect the voltage to the outside and the inside of this adapter. Be careful not to touch it because that will then short. It doesn't matter which way around you do it because it depends on the orientation of your butterfly valve on your sensor. So, to give you an example, got a little bit of thin metal here which will push into the middle. Normally the inside of these connectors, by the way, is positive. And the other side of this you then connect to, I'm going to clip it on here. Then take another piece of cable, or in my case I've got a nice handy little crocodile clip here, and connect that to the other side of the battery. This will either open or close the valve, and if it doesn't work then it's got to be the other way around. Oh, it's definitely closed. Yeah. It's closed as well. So there's a handy little tip. If your exhaust cutout is not working because you lost the remote control and you're trying to close the valve and not crawl underneath the car and put a metal plate on, you can bypass the actual electronic receiver and just do it using voltage to the plus and minus of the motor for the exhaust cutout. Hope that helps. Brilliant if you could let me know some comments that I've helped somebody. Bye for now.
Let's move on, 'cause it's time to move on.